Okay, so 5.2. This is probably one of the most fun chapters, but it is very tricky. It took some time for me to do this. So, first question. X. I forgot to do this beforehand, but whatever. You live and learn. X squared plus y squared is equal to 13. Now, here x is equal to 2. Second equation. So although this is a quadratic, uh, not although this is a quadratic, it isn't that hard. This isn't actually quadratic, it's something else. I forgot the name, but whatever. So x equal to, you can just plug this in. So 2 plus y squared equals 13. So y squared equals 13 minus 4. I'm skipping a few steps. Then uh, y squared equals 9. So y equals 3. Alright, so uh, now let's do question number 2. So now for these ones I'm going to go really quick because these are long but they're still a bit confusing, so pay attention. So for the first equation, we can get since y is equal to 5x and y is also equal to this, that means 5x is equal to x squared minus x plus 8. So then that means you can move this to the other side, so then x squared is equal to x minus so then you get the equation like 0 is equal to x minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then you're going to factorize like normal. So I'm gonna skip a few steps. If you don't know factorization, go back to 6th grade. So x minus 2, then minus 4, then this is x minus 2. So this is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4, x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 2. Therefore, yeah, this is right. So y1 is equal to 5 by 4 if you plug this in. So this is 20, and y2 is equal to 5 by 2, which equals to 10. Now, uh, this is asked to be made graphically. I don't know why they told us to sketch it. So basically, to understand, if I assume this is like 10, this is 20, what? This is 10, 20, and it made a little curve here. It's hard to draw a curve to this, right? So this is the quadratic, right? Now I have one little guy here, here, here. So this is the linear one, which is 5x. So this is 5x equals fx equals 5. And this is fx equals whatever this is, okay? So what fx is equal. So I'll just write it down, x squared minus x plus 8. So the two intersection points are, uh, I should just write it down, shouldn't I? So let me erase this point, so then we can write it down more clearly. It's 2 and 10. And here it is 4 by 20. The reason why there are multiple answers is because there's multiple intersections in the graph. So next question. Okay, so from here we have another linear one, which isn't so hard, but it's still a bit tricky. So from here we can denote that x, what is it? We can denote that since y is equal to this, that means x is equal to x minus 3. You can just plug y in here, which equals to 4. Therefore, x squared minus 3x, if you distribute, minus 4 is equal to 0 if you just, switch sides. So from there, x squared minus 4x plus x. I'm going to actually do the what is it? I'm going to actually factorize it, so it's not that hard for you. X minus 4 plus 1, x minus 4 equals 0. So from here you can conclude that x is equal to minus 1. So x1 is equal to minus 1. x2 is equal to 4. So from here you can conclude that y1 is equal, if you just plug this back into this equation, so minus 1 minus 4, so then wait, this is minus 1 minus 4, so basically no, minus 3, so minus 1 minus 3, which equals to minus 4, and y2 is equal to what is it, since it's 4 here, so 4 minus 3, so y2 is equal to 1. I should write that down properly. y2 is equal to was 4 minus 3, which equals to 1. So yeah, these are both like all the answers, right? So the answers are either is it minus 1 minus 4, or they're actually and, it's a difference, minus is it 4 and 1, 4 minus 4, yeah, these are right. So next question. Now question 5, this one is actually pretty difficult, but I'll simplify it for you. So what this is xy squared equals 6, and xy minus 2 equals 0. So what is it? This is 1, 2. Therefore, so with equation 2, wow, I wrote a 7 by accident. Okay, equation 2, xy is equal to 2. Now, good piece of knowledge. So from there, you can conclude, uh, since xy squared is just the same thing as y over y into xy, that means that y was it? That means y to xy is equal to 2y, right? Oh wait, no, I got that wrong. Uh, hold on. So I'm back after a very, very sad discovery. I spent at least 15 minutes on this answer and my notes, and I realized I could have done such an easy step. Let me walk through it. Hold on. So xy is equal to 2, right? We proved that. Thing is, xy square is just y into xy. And things, if we want to do that, then we have to multiply this by y, right? So that means that, what is it? That means that the thing is, 2y is equal to 6, right? So that means y is equal to 3. So from here, what is it? From here, this is just going to equal 2 times 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3, right? So the issue here is that, what is it? I should probably have, hold on, this is very misleading. I should, so from here, 2y is equal to 6, therefore y is equal to 3. So from here, y is equal to 3, right? So let's go take this. So x into 3 equal to 2, right? So that means 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. That is the answer. I have spent so, I don't even care anymore. I hate math. Alright, ignoring my meltdown, let's just continue with question 6. So here, the thing is, I don't know why the question is made like this because you can literally get the answer from here. But whatever, they want you to verify this, right? So this is pretty simple. You don't actually need the graph. I don't know why they give you the graph. I don't understand anything anymore. This is the dumbest fucking syllabus I've ever like studied. Okay, so x squared plus y squared equals 25, and then that's equation number one. Equation number two is x minus 7y plus 25 is equal to 0. So from here, we can conclude that x minus 7y, uh, is it, x minus 7y, or x is equal to 7y minus 25, right? So we can plug this in again. So 7y minus 25 squared plus y squared is equal to 25. I just plugged this in equation number 2, right? So then from there, we're going to get 48, 48, 49, my bad. How did I mess that up? I'm actually so dumb. 49 y squared minus 350 plus 625 plus y plus, was it equals 25, right? So from here, we can get 50y squared minus 350y plus 600. All I'm doing here is some simplification. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, since this is very big, I'm gonna divide everything by 50, everything here. So 0 divided by 50 is a 0. So this is gonna be y squared minus what is this? 7y, and then plus 12. Now, if you factorize this, I'm pretty sure you need the quadratic equation for no, I don't think you need that. No. So for this, you can just get y minus 3, uh, y minus 4 is equal to 0. I am not gonna bother doing all the factorization. So y is 3, so y1 is 3, y2 is 4. So from there, we plug this in. So x1 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 25, which equals to yada yada minus 4. X2 is equal to 7 by 7 into 4 minus 25, which equals to minus 3. Right? So therefore, if you put to the answer is the answers are minus 4 by 3, minus 4 and 3 with 3 4. You can you can verify this if you want. 1 second. Look, oh my god, wow, yeah, that's so crazy. What the hell am I doing? It's it's, it's 8 a.m. and I didn't sleep all night. It's like, give me a break. Like, that's why I sound so unwell. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my. Okay, so I realized that maybe being depressed all the time would like not be the best thing for this course. So I am gonna lighten my mood with this question. This question is actually a lot of fun. So this looks intimidating, but it's actually not. What you can do here is you can divide everything by pi. So let's look at equation 1. This is just r squared minus x squared equals 209. They try to scare you with pi, but you can just cancel them out. Uh, and if you are asking what's question number 7, it's actually a diagram. The diagram, if you look at it, give me a second. This is basically the question, but uh, just with some simple, if you use your logic, you can understand that this is what comes up. This is the simultaneous equation. So, all right. So from here, with uh, 2, you can do the same thing, right? And you can do one even better. You can divide it by 2 as well. So 2, you can divide it by 2 pi. So r plus x is equal to 19. Now this looks beautiful, right? So now that you have this, you have 1, you have 2. 2 is going to be very helpful because then 2 just says r is equal to 19 minus x, right? So from here you can just from here you can just plug this value in into equation number 1, right? So equation number 1, this would be 19 minus x squared minus x squared equal to 209. So this is just what we did here, r squared. Now this is extended to a squared plus 2ab, or a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is just 19 squares, which is 361, minus 2 into 19 into x plus x squared minus x squared equals 209 minus x squared from here. So this and this are cut. So what you get is 361 minus 38 x equals 209, and this is equal to 38x. 38x is equal to minus 152. So, oh, this is a minus 38x, right? Don't forget that. So now let's go all the way here. So that means x, if you just do some division, x is equal to 4. Or minus x is equal to minus 4, so x is equal to 4. Therefore, if you look back at this original one, r plus 4 equals 19. Therefore, r is equal to 15. This was pretty fun. I like how it wasn't pretty intimidating with the pi's, but you can just factor them out. Most of the time, whenever there's like constants like e or pi or like basic stuff in like arithmetic, they're kind of just like tricks. Like they're just trying to scare you. So this is gonna be the final one. The rest of the the rest of the questions are still pretty hard, but you should be able to do them yourself. I've done most of the challenging ones. So from here, 8a, you would get this. So y equals 2x plus 1, x squared plus 1, and then y equals 2x. So from what we concluded before, wow, I need to fix that. So x squared plus 1 is equal to 2x, because I show this here. Therefore, let me continue this. So then x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x squared minus 1 minus 1, or minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1, if you can just do this. So okay, why do I do this? Okay, so x is equal to 1 all the time. And the reason why it's only 1 is because, what you just seen, it's squared, right? For some reason the question asked that. I don't know, like, this is standard 8, right? We're not in like the 6th grade, okay? So b is just to represent this in a graph, so if we just did that, wow, okay, we just did that. This would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 1, 2, 1. So, and this is the origin. So, um, this is going to be y is equal to 2x. Okay, and then we're going to have one parabola, whatever, this intersects here. Oh, I should draw this better. Whatever, so it intersects here. That and the intersection is this intersection is 1, 2. Also, I forgot to mention y is equal to 2 here. If you just plug in y here, you get 2. So yeah, y is equal to 2. So this is the only answer. So from here, you can do some other like stuff to, broaden your knowledge. Alright, so these are pretty much the ones you can study if, like, basically this is if you're doing good in graphs and this is if you're doing good in like the algebra part. So you should do both of these. Do this irrelevant question. No, not relevant. This is very relevant. Do this question if like it's pretty easy. If you can do it if you want. So mainly what you want to focus on is uh, knowing when to use elimination and substitution method. Also being able to analyze out like is it geometry correctly because there's a lot of circles in this chapter. That's literally it. 5.2, easiest exercise ever. Bye bye.